Welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to find best promo codes on Cdkeys. So guys, all you have to do to get discount, first one, go to official website on Cdk, and as you can see here guys, you see deals. Click this deals. From here you find all this discount. You can see here guys, 28%, 80%, 22, and this is all discounts guys and deals. This is backing plus 100 V backs for Xbox. This is all discounts guys on the red off. If I want to go to Google and search for CDK discounts code, I see also this two websites. It's coupon follows. This is also good website to find discounts. Just click show codes or coupons and click copy. Just copy it. Then the last website guys, this is discount for June 2025, and this is the month. This is all also discount. You can save your money using this two websites guys. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, give share this video for more content.